guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, I am Dr. Mraudzi and popularly known as Mrs. L. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly do click on that subscription button and like this video, comment, let's engage in the comment section. And today's video is just going to be short. It's Foschini haul. I got these two lovely bags, oopsie, from Foschini, which I want to show you guys now. And then kind of wait. So I'm going to be starting with this one. This is my favorite. Let's do this. It was an offer, meaning that I had to get two in order to qualify for the offer, right? So I'll show you the second one. And she matches the carpet. I love her so much. So I can So moving on to the second one, this one is much heavier, but I will tell you why. This is my second bag. This is the second bag. I love her so much. It also comes with the shoulder. It comes with a shoulder strap, and let me quickly show you how it looks inside. Ooh, it looks like my brown and white bag. So wish my laptop could fit in here, but I'm yet to test. So yeah, man, love this bag dearly. So I've got two. And they were both on, oh, this, if you buy it alone, it's $899, but because it's on offer, you get to pay 50% on the cheapest bag if you buy them together, right? It could be any bag of your choice, but it has to be two bags that are both on offer. So yeah, this one was 50% since it's the cheapest, and this one we paid the full amount of it. And yeah, man, these are my two beautiful bags.